Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a fun one. It's kind of like a get ready with me style video. I have an event to go to tonight, so I thought this would be the perfect time to sit down and film before I gotta go. This look is very easy actually because the eyes are all matte besides the brow bone and inner corner highlight, and we have a nude lip, so I feel like this look would match anything you're wearing. So if you're going to a special event, it would fit practically any outfit, as well as you can change the lip colors to a red, a pink, a very dark lip. It would match, and no matter what you're wearing, I feel like it also matches. So it's a pretty universal look, which is why it's been my go-to for a few years. I also share a few tips and tricks that I have. If you guys are curious to see where I'm headed tonight, be sure to follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat, and let's get started with this tutorial. Alright, so before my events, I usually like to do some sort of mask just to help prep everything. Today I'm going to be using the Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. This is the mask I like to use before any of my events. It just gives you a really nice kind of like a facelift. It tightens your skin, also tightens your pores, at least for me it does. And I noticed that it gives you a really nice radiant glow afterwards. But they came out with a mega size, which I wanted to show you guys. So this is the new mega size. So we've got the standard 50 gram size and the new mega size, which is 100 grams. So you get double the product. And just to show you guys a comparison of the sizes, I'm gonna take them out. This is what they look like without the packaging, just to give you guys a comparison. The standard size is now $59, which is awesome. And the bigger 100 gram one is $79. And in case you've never tried the Gravity Mud, I'm just gonna read the back of the box just so you guys have some info on this mask. So it says, Gravity Mud Firming Treatment is an out of this world new instant tightening and firming treatment. The innovative formula changes color from white to chrome and peels off to leave skin feeling tighter and more lifted, which I definitely agree. And it has T-Oxy complex with Lycerus, I think that's how you say it, and marshmallow leaf, so that helps skin look and feel more firmer. And now these come in 3 different sizes, so there is definitely something for everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this mask. You wanna leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're gonna peel it off. I'm applying this with the Glam Glow duo-sided brush. I swear this gives you like a mini facelift, and it feels so good when you peel it off. You also want to avoid your eyebrows and your hairline because this will stick to it. Now I'm just going to let it dry for about 20 minutes and then we'll come back and I'll show you guys how I peel it off. It's really satisfying. I try to peel it off all in one big giant piece. And look how tight this makes your skin. It's completely dry now, so I'm gonna peel it off. Now that my skin feels really firm, nice and tight, we're gonna move on to the makeup. I'm going to prime with the Step 1 Hydrating Primer from Makeup Forever. I like this primer a lot. It's very, very hydrating. For foundation, I'm actually going to mix my own little concoction. So I'm going to take the La Mer Soft Fluid Foundation in the shade Natural 12 and the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. Just going to do a pump of this. I'm also adding in just a little bit of the MAC Strobe Cream to give it more of a glow. Mix it up and it looks like that. I'm just going to use this one to apply it. I just splashed foundation on my shirt that I'm supposed to wear tonight. I'm using a little bit of the Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Medium Dark. I also like to do a little bit of cream contouring when I'm going to an event. I feel like it just makes the makeup look so much more flawless and last a lot longer. I really like this concealer color. I feel like it gives just enough color to create like a shadow, but it's not too dark where it looks like you're, you know, wearing a ton of bronzer. For concealer, I'm going to use the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer from L'Oreal. This is in the color 01. This concealer gives you a really nice glow, and I like that it's not too heavy. I'm now going to set my face. I'm going to use the RCMA No Color Powder. I love this stuff. It's super cheap and it doesn't give you flashbacks, so I like to use this for events, everyday photography. I know I can rely on this. I even use this on all my clients as well. I'm going to let this powder sit for a minute. For bronzer and blush, I'm going to use this ZOEVA Basic Moment palette. I'm going to use this blush right over here and this contour shade. This blush is pink, but it's very, very subtle. I want to keep the look a lot more bronze today than opposed to like something rosy or pink, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of blush. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows really quickly and then we're gonna move on to the eyes. I want to use this Naked Petite Heat mini palette from Urban Decay. I just got this in the mail last week. I haven't tried it yet, but taking this shade right here, it's called Hot Spell. It's like a really nice warm tone brown. I'm gonna put this into my crease. This whole eye look is very minimal, so you don't need a ton of different palettes. You just need a few shades, which everybody kind of has. I'm also going to run this on my lower lash line with a smaller brush. Then I'm going to take this warm chocolate brown color called Heist, and I'm deepening the outer corners of my eye with this eyeshadow. So this is the shade Strike from the palette. I'm going to apply this on the outer corner, keeping it very close to the lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with my brush and buff it out so it's not like a harsh line. It also has a really nice white color, so I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners. And that's basically it for the eyes. I'm going to apply some mascara and pop on some lashes. This is the Tarteist mascara from Tarte. So these are the velour mink lashes and they are called Wisp It Real Good. They look like this. I like to use the Duo Lash Glue and let it dry a little bit, let it get tacky, and then apply it. To highlight, I'm going to use this Mary Luminizer from the BALM and the Sigma F64 brush. But first you want to set your face. This is the Chill Makeup Setting Spray from Urban Decay. It's very important that you set your makeup when going to an event or taking photos. You want it to last all day. I'm also going to highlight my nose a little bit with this. So lastly for the lips, I'm going to line with MAC WHIRL lip liner. With this kind of look, I love doing a matte nude to go with the matte eyes. So I'm going to take the HONEYLOVE lipstick from MAC. This is like one of my favorite nudes. So that wraps up this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. I gotta go get ready.